This is the depth jump exercise. There's a lot of different variations of this exercise that you could be doing, but I'm going to break down the most common variations on 2 feet and on 1 foot. So here you see a depth jump where we're dropping down from a box and jumping up to a higher box. Now the height of the first box should always be inconsistent, you being able to explode back up. If you ever go too high of a box where you can't keep a quick ground contact time or you don't feel explosive off the ground, then you need to lower that box down to the floor. So that first box is a little bit subjective as far as how high you're going to start off with. But the second box should always be higher than the first box, and that's up to your capability. Now, if you don't have enough boxes, then don't worry about jumping up to a box. You can just simply jump up as high as you can off the ground. This is a 2-foot variation. I forgot to film a 1-foot variation, but you could easily do this off of one leg as well too. So we train 2-foot and 1-foot jumps. Now, if you don't have any boxes available to you, then you can just do a tuck jump, and it essentially will get the same qualities by repeating that jump up in the air for 5-6 reps in a row. There is a little bit more of a fatigue element to this exercise because you're continuously jumping, but is your best option if you do not have boxes available to you. And we can again do this on 2 feet and then on 1 foot as well too, to train both single and double foot jumps.